You're interested in art, you want to support artists and buy and hang work you love, but you're not sure where to start. I'm Verity Babs, the Assistant Curator here at Rise Art, and today we're sharing our tips for building a cohesive collection that you're proud of. The first key to buying art you love is following your instincts. What really speaks to you? Rather than buying art from big artists who you feel you ought to buy from, what really moves you? This is often referred to as buying with your eyes and not your ears. Maybe you've heard that art collecting is only for the mega rich and that's putting you off. You can actually build a collection you love without huge financial investment. You can build trust and rapport with galleries and relationships with artists by buying limited edition prints and works on paper rather than diving straight in with high value originals. If you'd like to start at a lower price point, then signed, limited edition prints are a great place to begin. These prints are easily authenticated and high quality. The more limited the edition is, the more likely these prints are to hold and increase their value over time. Maybe you've got grand tastes and are into big names. We've got you covered. It's easier than you'd think to bring in works by major artists into your young collection. Start by buying smaller or less expensive work by them, or buying limited edition prints. Visiting exhibitions and physical events will be a huge part of your research. Viewing artwork in the flesh is entirely different from viewing it online. Plus, when you're there, you'll discover new artists, hone your critical eye, and develop relationships with galleries. Online galleries are the perfect place to browse through art to your heart's content. This will help you realise your tastes and pinpoint artists you want to be collecting from. It'll also help you to work out how artwork is priced, how these prices change, and whether or not you're getting a good deal for what you want to be collecting. Social media is also a great way to discover artists. It'll help you keep up with what's happening without you needing to attend hundreds of physical events. By looking for love, starting small with limited edition prints, visiting physical exhibitions and browsing online, you can begin to create a collection you're really proud of. Collecting art is a wonderfully satisfying and emotionally fulfilling experience. We want to make sure that buying art is accessible for everyone. Visit riseart.com, speak to one of our curators, and start your art buying journey today. If you found this helpful, remember to subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website today.